Back in February, I booked a cruise on the Carnival FIRENZE. Now, this is a new ship to Carnival, so I wanted to vlog our time on the ship as well as our time in Cabo and Ensenada. So enjoy this short vlog of our time on the Carnival FIRENZE in Mexico. So lucky for us, we already live in California. So on the morning of the cruise, we took an Uber to the Long Beach cruise terminal, where we then used our passports to go through customs. When you get on the ship, your room is not ready until 1:30, but you can go down and get some lunch and head over to your room afterwards. After getting comfortable in our room, we went and took a tour of the ship to see all of the areas we would be able to use for our 5 days on board. In the morning, we arrived in Ensenada, Mexico, and my boyfriend and I woke up really early because we wanted to check out the sports area as well as the adults only retreat. During the day, these areas can be a little busy, so we just wanted to go and have kind of the area to ourselves just to check it out, look around, and chill until we arrived at the port. During the day, the adults only retreat has a bar open as well as a salad bar. In Ensenada, we booked a excursion through Carnival, which was the Guadalupe Valley ATV adventure. We had to get on a van, and the ride to the Guadalupe Valley was about 45 minutes. It felt very safe. When we got there, we did ATVs, we had wine tasting, and then afterwards they took us to a surprise tequila tasting. This surprise tequila tasting was in downtown Ensenada. This was not listed on the excursion. They just took us there, which was really cool. And we even got 2 bottles, which you have to check in once you get back on the boat. Once back on the boat, we decided to get ready and go to dinner early. Usually Michelangelo's, which is the restaurant, is super packed, but we showed up early, got a daiquiri, and headed to the casino. Then we went to sleep, and we were supposed to go to the club but never woke up. The next day was a ship day, so we went out and enjoyed random things that were happening on the ship. I didn't record everything, but I got some clips. While we were on the ship, we met a few people and decided to go to dinner with them. We also stayed up long enough to go to the comedy club, and we were supposed to go to the club yet again, and it did not happen. The next morning, we arrived in Cabo, which our time here was cut short. Originally, we were supposed to be here from 9 to 6 p.m., but they updated the itinerary to 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., so we had much less time, but we decided to make the most and we booked an outside excursion, which was a glass boat tour. One thing I really liked about this glass boat tour is that they took pictures of us by the landmarks. So if you are interested in getting photos, I think this tour is a really great option. They let you purchase them after the trip. Once we got back on the ship, we tried different foods, we had drinks, we did random things on the ship, and we also did this the next day because it was a ship day. So the rest of the vlog has no organization, it's kind of random, but I'm just gonna let you enjoy it. One of the most fun things on the ship was going to karaoke, so that is something that I highly recommend. We had reservations at the Hibachi Grill at 9 p.m., but unfortunately my boyfriend got a little lit from the drinks and he did not feel good. So after this pizza, we were pretty much in for the night. They did let us take the hibachi to go, but I forgot to record, and we also never got to go to the nightclub. Boo. The saddest part has come. We have to go back home, but it's okay because we're going to be planning our next trip. You know how that goes. If you like this video, subscribe, as I'm gonna be posting more travel videos along with other videos I have up my sleeve. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.